Guys, today we'll talk about how can you send out of your account on your StubHub app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on profile down here. When you just click on profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now to sign out of your account, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you will find here sign out, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you out of your account on your StubHub app. So that's all you have to do, that's all. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Then it's going to take you out of your account. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.